Exposing the secret to fixing that annoying EFT Pro error. No tech skills required. I'll guide you through every click so you can get back to work fast. First, EFT Pro uses your computer's default browser settings, so we need to enable JavaScript and cookies right there. If you use Chrome, click the three dots at the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Select Site Settings, turn on JavaScript, and make sure cookies are allowed. For Edge, hit the three dots, pick Settings, then Cookies and Site Permissions. Turn on JavaScript and cookies. In Firefox, open the menu, select Settings, and check that cookies are accepted. JavaScript is usually on, but double-check your extensions aren't blocking it. Still having trouble? Try clearing your browser's cache, disabling any ad blockers, or running EFT Pro as administrator. Sometimes, security software or outdated Windows can cause issues. Update or add an exception if needed. Quick recap. Check your browser's JavaScript and cookie settings, clear cache, and check security tools. You've got this.